Here's a quick tutorial on how to block flights for a travel agent. First, select the flights option. Then, enter the origin city and the destination city from the drop-down options. Now, add the departure date and the number of passengers. Refer to the seating class mentioned as per the traveler and click Done. Then, select the airline as per the traveler's choice and click Search. Now search and scroll for the required airline based on the price. And then click on the Book to proceed. Now start filling in the traveler's details, first name and last name, and click on Continue. Now check the payment mode and click on Proceed. Once the booking is reviewed, click on the Block Ticket button. That's how you block your flight.